As Director of Sales, one of the most exciting parts of my job is when we get to onboard a new customer with the PhysioMimix Core. However, I don't usually get to be part of the arrival of the system, the unboxing, and the installation. So today, we're going to start with unboxing a PhysioMimix system and going through all the components of a PhysioMimix Core. It's easier than you think. When you receive your PhysioMimix Core, it's going to come in 3 boxes. We have your drivers, your docking station, and the PhysioMimix Core Controller unit. Let's unbox the PhysioMimix Core Controller. And there's the PhysioMimix Core Controller. Now I'm going to unbox the docking station. And the docking station comes with umbilical cords as well. Now I'm going to unbox the driver units. It also comes with the plate accessories, power cord, and instructions for use. And that's unpacking the box. It's easier than you think.